Good morning, everyone. Our project is called Restore, which is a full-stack e-commerce web application. The purpose of Restore is to stimulate a real online retail platform where users can browse products, manage their personal accounts, and go through a complete ordering process. In this project, we focus not only the visual design, but also implementing system logic and real user interaction. Many basic web projects only focus on the front-end design and ignore how real systems work behind the scenes. Therefore, our main problem was how to build a web application that reflects real-world e-commerce logic, including authentication, cart management, and data handling. Our objectives were to design a functional workflow and apply full-stack web development principle in a practical project. Restore follows model view controller architectural pattern, which helps separate concerns clearly. The front end is responsible for displaying content and handling users' interaction, while backend manage business logic and database operation. MongoDB is used to store user, products, and other data, making the system scalable and data-driven. So this is our homepage of our website. Its name is Restore. We have like the navigation bar at the top, and then we have the hero page here. Scroll down, we have some features, product, latest product. Also, we have the stars for rating, and like this skill script available. Smart band is like a advertisement. Sorry, advertisement. There are some fixed like review of the users, Son, Parker, Mike, Maple Joe, and we have some brands which are we cooperate together. And the last is the footer. Get it on Google Play or download with App Store. Use useful links and follow us. We're gonna show the process that users can log into our website and use it. If you want to log in, is on the login button is on the top right of the website. You click on that. If you don't have any accounts before, register is just to click on. Under registration page, the usernames is maybe is unique. Users can choose their own name, maybe not your full name. And about the email, we suggest that you use a usable email because in the forgotten, we have the forgotten password function. Means it will send a reset password email to the email that you register. You fill in the registration process, and the password we said that the password is unique for all of the users, and it will be hash. The password is need to like more than 8 characters, and we have the special character, a special letter. So I will back to the login page because I'm gonna test a user that we have before. It's called tester1. And the password is 12345. We have a reCAPTCHA also. If you are not robot, you click on this and then you log in. Okay, so if you can see here, the tester1 user profile is displayed. That means you successfully log into our website, and you can freely use all the function that we have here.
So right, so moving on to the discussion forums, which is my individual module. So this part will cover all the threads, the list displays, and the threads functionality. So first of all, the thread list will show all of the available discussions, including the title, author, timestamp, and a short preview. So it makes user easily to find their topic of interest. I also added some search features and also filtering filter. So the thread filters is support for CRUD cycle. The user can create new discussions right here. The threads can also read the text with full content along of the replies. Can also update the post if they need to fix, if they need to have some modifications or add some information. Also delete it, delete threads that are no longer relevant. So one of the features is the ownership check. So right now I'm in the account Jan 12. So this is my my threads. So I able to edit or delete it. So if there are another users, these buttons will gonna be disabled for them from the interface. So this helps to maintain the data integrity, prevent the overrides change, and ensure fair use of the discussion forum.
So this is individual model shopping cart. So this is individual model shopping cart. We refer as Shopee means if users want to buy items, they have to log in. So to save our time, I have a login account already. So we just go to product page and choose one item you want is L branded t-shirts, put it here to put it in the cart. So as you can see here, we have a notification on the top right of the shopping cart. It's one item. If I want to like printed t-shirt, I just click here, choose a size first, XXL, quantity is 3. So I put it add to cart. So we have four here at total. So we click on the cart. The users can change their size if we have some change, they change the quantity, so the price increase immediately. So black printed t-shirt XXL, I will change to S. And after the user check, they will go to checkout. So in the checkout form, users have to fill in all the informations are required here. First name, I will say Huang. Usernames, you can like tester1 you want. Email optional, like I was use this, and address, you have to fill in your address, and your address second address is optional. And the country, we have multiple here, which is available country we have. We choose Vietnam and the Ho Chi Minh City, so the zip code is automatically filled in for you. And the payment, we allow credit card, debit card, and PayPal. So the name on card is maybe Johnny. The credit card number is, I just fill in the random number, expiration. I would say the 12th September, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just a random, and then you check again if the card is correct, and then you continue to check out. So after finish the other confirmation. So here is all the information that you fill in already, and we have the price on the right side. And after finish, you continue to shopping to forward you to the product page again. If you want to view your recent order, you should go to edit profile. And then you go to recent order. It's in here. We have multiple orders, history, and the last one is on 10 January. And if you view it, just click in view. We have all the information of the order details. So get back to profile. So it's all the function that a shopping cart should have.
Okay, so now I will talk about the blog module. So as you can see on the render app, you can set the blog module over here. And here there's so the blog is so from the popular posts which have more than 50 likes, and all posts over here, and recognition so that user can should see the all the posts. And now to the four main functions, that is create block, update block, delete block, and the like function. All of these functions require the user to be logged in order to use. So, and if the user is not logged in, if they interact with any of these functions, it will prompt the user to log into the web. Like so. And here, so for the first function, a create post, and this one. The image URL, you can get the image. You can use the image address from the internet to add in. And yes, and just like that, you can create a post. And when you click on the post, you can see the main picture, the main image, the date, the author, and the content. And you can also see the like count. So you can click it. The user can click it once to like it and click it again to unlike it. This allows user to just like the post one time. And now let's move to the next function is edit post. As you can see here, you can, for the author of the post, they can just click over here to edit it, and all the previous content is saved. And the user can just click. I will add some edit post, and just like that, and click update, click the confirm again. Or all of these functions have an extra step, except for the like, have an extra confirmation module to ensure that user to avoid user mistake. Okay, post and post, great. Okay, so now let's move to the last function is delete post. For the author of the post, you can just click delete, and yes, another pop up, click delete, and post delete successfully.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Lam. I will now demonstrate my individual contribution to the project. We currently live on the render remote server. I will start with the products page. The catalog dynamically display all the placed item with the name, prices, and current rating to improve the user experience. I implemented a sorting item. User can organize products by price, high to low or low to high, and also sort by rating to see the find the best deal. Now I will now I will select a product to go to view the detail. Before the reviewing, I want to highlight the purchase validation. Notice what if I try to buy an item without logging or selecting a site. You have to log in first. You can see the system block the action intermediately to ensure that every order place is valid. If you not select the size, you have to select the size too, and you can input the quantity you want to buy. Okay, now I quick you can see all the review of this review session of the other display all the review of the user. Okay, I will create the review. Uh, you can upload the image from your local. Okay, when I click submit, the review appear instantly without the reloading the page. User can also have the full control of their content. If they make mistake, I can edit the text. And it updates it intermittently. Or I change my mind, I can delete the review entirely. The system will remove the data instantly. It also have the notification ask you to want to delete it. Finally, all the customer can interact with the clicking the helpful button to identify useful feedback. That cover the review process now.
Right, so the About Us sections introduce the background of our platform, explain the purpose and the visions behind the application. So it helps users and visitors to understand why the platform was created and what problem it aims to solve. We also express on our materials, our commitments, and the community. So at the last, we also wants to update some of our anticipate or notifications for user. So this section is mainly to build trust and enhance the overall credibility of the website.
Page. So our policy page is in the bottom of the footer, since consists a lot about legal document and policy. So we don't want to put it somewhere where we wouldn't want to put it in the navbar to make the user confused. So let's first click on the policy, and we using the render app to demonstrate it. So it's display a lot of important information such as the website term, eligibility, user account, user content, and termination, also the privacy policy and cookie policy. So, and next we will move on to the sitemap. And here the sitemap provide a structure overview of our main page in the application. And you can see shop, product, category, and my cart, and blog home, popular posts, and related posts, account, login, setup, discussion, forum, and blog, and community, about us, policy, and sitemap. It helps users understand the website structure to quickly navigate to the page that they are looking for. This is especially useful for first-time user and improve overall accessibility. The sitemap is also reflect the current structure of the application, so it's consistent as the website grow. As you can see, so we have put the sitemap on the navbar, so if user get confused or they want to navigate to somewhere specifically, they can just click on this.
All right, so coming up to one of our group share modules, which is the admin dashboard. So this page is only used for administration access only. So the admins will be able to manage the account, the posts, and the threads. Also, they can also create some of the products, some of the latest products as well. So in the account management, the users can search the user, can also filter it by active or blocked. So if I block the user tester1, so this user is not going to perform any actions to the website. So coming up to the post and the threads management, so I also so I able to edit the post or also delete it. The same as the threads as well, also can delete and edit it. So coming up, one of the last features in the admin dashboard, which is the created product. So this is gonna link to the post new product form. So right here you can input the name, price, category, and size, and also the image, and it's publish it. So this features is the user profile module. So first of all, let me try to log in with this account. So after login, the users are able to go to their profile page. So all of their credentials information is gonna be displayed here with the full name, email address, phone number, date of birth, etc. Mobile, they can edit it as well. So those data gonna retrieve dynamically from database to ensure the information is always up to date. Access to the profile is protected using authentication, so only logged-in users can view their own data. So this helps to maintain privacy and ensures the user information is handled securely.
Okay, so now I will talk about our advanced feature, the chatbot. So our chatbot use the Germany 2.5 that integrate directly into a website. The purpose of the chatbot is to provide the customer direct information about our product. And I will give you a quick demonstration. For example, over here, this little chatbot is our AI chatbot. If you just click on it, open it up, and type. For example, I want to ask about shoe. Show me product. Wait a minute. Yes, it's have response. As you can see here, these open the product. These product directly link to the product in the product page. As you can see right over here, sports shoe for $75. Nike sports shoes $75 for our 5 rating. For our rating, Nike casual shoe for $50, 3.5 out of 5. Nike casual shoe $50, 3 out of 5, and 3.5 out of 5 rating. And this the purple this chatbot purple is available on all pages on our website. For example, the product page, the about page, the sign up page, the forum, and the blog. The purpose of this is to make to allow the user to directly add information about the product whenever they feel like it when they're using our website.
Now I will demonstrate the extended feature of this project. Is the forgot password. If a user lost access to their account, they can use the forgot password feature. I will enter my register username, and the system will verify it and generated a secure time limit token and send to the Gmail the user registered. I will check inbox here, and you can see the system send you a link. Click to the link. It send you the reset page. You can input your new password here. The When you finish, click on Update Password. It will update successfully and redirect to the login page. It's the conclude of this Forgot Password feature.